Hi everyone, my name is David Sugarman and I'm your English teacher. If you're bored going through grammar books that are going to take you a long time to go through, don't worry, I'm here to help that go away and make a quicker, faster, more practical, engaging process to help your English get better, quicker, and faster. And right now, today's topic is on some and any. Stay with me because I have a whole series of lessons ready to take you from basic to advanced when it comes to grammar. Here, you're going to be listening and hearing and also seeing and going through the exercises with me, where I'm going to give you the best explanations to make sure you understand. So let's get started. Remember, these presentations, I have done these maybe already with you in class if you're my current student. And if you're new here, this is going to really help you develop your English with some and any. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell. Let's get started. So some and any. Here are some examples. First of all, some in my mind, it's always positive, okay? It's always positive. Any is always negative. Any is always negative in most cases, right? So that's how it is in my mind. Here is some example. And remember, we also have questions. So some is for positive sentences usually, and any is for negative sentence usually. And remember that we can ask questions with both some and any, but in different situations. Let's go through them. So here we go. We use some in positive sentences. There are some cookies on the plate. There are some cookies on the plate. We use some in questions when making offers. So if I'm making an offer to someone, that's being a little bit more polite. So we actually want to say some in this case. And here's an example. Would you like some cookies with your tea? Not would you like any cookies? Because it's not a direct question. This is an offer. Let's go to a negative statement. We use any in negative sentences. For example, there aren't any cookies left in the jar. Remember that. That's a negative sentence. And we also use any for a direct question. We use any in most question forms. Are there any cookies in the kitchen? That's a general question. So remember that some and any is usually with things that are plural, okay? Cookies, for example, here. But remember, we use some and any with uncountable nouns as well. Uncountable nouns, for example, milk, water, sugar. So let's get started now and enjoy the process. And if you want to continue more lessons, you can go to davidenglish.info. Directions. Complete the sentences. At this point, if you want, you can stop the video, take out a pen or a pencil or a notebook. And at this point, you can write down everything, write down your answers, and then check with me to see if you're right. Now, number one, I'm going to read the question to you. I'm going to answer the question, and I'm going to repeat the answer twice so that you hear the English better. Here you can repeat after me or just listen. Let's get started. 1. There is water in the bottle. What do you think? There is some water in the bottle. 2. Would you like help with your homework? Would you like help with your homework? This is going to be, would you like some help with your homework? Because it's an offer. Would you like some help with your homework? 3. We don't have money left for shopping. We don't have any money left for shopping. 4. Is there coffee left in the pot? I'm going to go with, is there any coffee left in the pot? It's not an offer, it's just a general question, right? 5. I need to buy groceries for dinner. The answer is, I need to buy some groceries for dinner. I need to buy some groceries for dinner. All right, moving on to question 6. 6. Do you have plans for the weekend? This is a direct question. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend? 7. There isn't milk in the fridge. This is negative. What do we use for negative? Any. There isn't any milk in the fridge. There isn't any milk in the fridge. Let's go down to 8. Could I borrow paper from you? This is a polite question. We're asking for an offer. I'm going to say, could I borrow some paper from you? Could I borrow some paper from you? Okay. Going to 9. She brought, in the past, flowers to the party. Positive sentence, plural form of flowers. She brought some flowers to the party. She brought some flowers to the party. Let's go to 10. Did you see birds in the park? What do you think? Did you see any birds in the park? Did you see any birds in the park? Not, did you see some birds in the park? All right, let's go to 11. Again, we're trying to fill in some and any for these sentences. When we ask a question with some, it's an offer. When we say a sentence, just positive, we're going to say some. When we use any, it's for negative sentences and also for questions that are direct in general, not offers. Let's go. 11. We have time before the movie starts. The answer is, we have some time before the movie starts. We have some time before the movie starts. 12. It's a question. It looks pretty general to me. Are there tickets left for the concert? Are there any tickets left for the concert? Again, are there any tickets left for the concert? 13. He didn't find information about the event. He didn't find any information about the event. Again, he didn't find any information about the event. 14. This looks like an offer. It's very polite. We're using the word would you like. Would you like more time to finish the test? Would you like some more time to finish the test? Would you like some more time to finish the test? That was an offer. 15. They made changes to the schedule. They made some changes to the schedule. They made some changes to the schedule. Now you might be asking, am I allowed to not use some or any here? Of course, you don't have to put some and any if you don't want to. But it definitely makes the language richer. Complete the sentences 16. It looks like we got a question here, and it doesn't look like an offer. Here, I'm going to say, is there news about the project? Is there any news about the project? Again, repeat it. Listen to it again. Is there any news about the project? 17. I don't have idea what to do next. I don't have any idea what to do next. I don't have any idea what to do next. 18. Can I offer you advice? It looks like an offer. Can I offer you some advice? Again, can I offer you some advice? 19. We found interesting articles online in the past, and it looks like interesting articles. So we have an adjective, and then we have the noun in plural form. We found some interesting articles online. We found some interesting articles online. And 20, did you receive messages while I was out? Did you receive any messages while I was out? Direct question. Did you receive any messages while I was out? Now, let's go over to the answers. Here are the answers. And if I were you, here's some practical advice. I would read out the answers as they are out loud and practice on pronunciation. That's one thing that I would do here. And the second set for the answer key is here from 11 to 12. I would do the same thing. Of course, for more information, visit and follow my social media accounts. Here, you're going to get excellent videos and information on other topics. Enjoy the process of English. Learn every day. Hope to see you soon.
Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugarman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years, and I can really help you. Currently, right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA, and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.